This looks like a scene from a Pixar movie. But this isn't from a studio. There's no animator, no expensive software. In fact, I made this in just a few clicks, with one image and a single line of text. Then I turned it into a full video for free using nothing but AI tools. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's make your first Pixar-style short film. Step 1. Go to chat.openai.com and log in. Once you're in, just ask ChatGPT to write a short Pixar-style story. Here's exactly what I typed. Write a short Pixar-style story about a lonely kid who finds a broken robot in the forest. Make it emotional and under 10 lines. It gave me a beautiful little story, a lost robot, a quiet forest, and a kid who brings it back to life. But we're not done yet. Next, I asked ChatGPT to break that story into 5 visual prompts, one for each scene. You just type, "Now break this story into 5 visual prompts I can use to generate images." And boom, in seconds, we've got everything we need to start creating our animation. Step 2. It's time to turn your story into stunning visuals. Open up Google Whisk and let's bring your second scene to life. Start in the Style section. Paste this, Cinematic Pixar-style 3D animation. Click Generate to apply the style. Next, go to the Subject section and enter a curious young boy kneeling in front of a broken robot with one dim glowing eye. Click Generate again. Then move to the Scenes section. Add a quiet forest clearing with soft light shining through the trees. Click Generate. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy prompt 2, titled Discovering the Robot. Paste it into the main prompt box and hit Generate one last time. Your cinematic image will appear in seconds. Now you've got 2 options. Click Animate right away using Whisk Motion, or download the image and save it for later if you want more control. This is how you turn your story into visual magic, one scene at a time. All right, now it's time to bring your story to life with motion. In Google Whisk, look at the image you just generated, the one where the boy is kneeling in front of the robot in the forest. Click on that image and then select the Animate button right above it. Now you'll see a new window pop up. This is where we'll describe the motion. In the prompt box, write something like, "The boy slowly kneels in front of the broken robot. Leaves rustle softly around them. The robot's eye flickers on. Cinematic camera movement with slow zoom." This kind of prompt will create a gentle, emotional animation, perfect for this part of the story. Now click Generate and let Whisk do the magic. After a few moments, your animation will be ready. Save it to your project folder. We'll use it in the next steps. Once you've got that done, you're officially halfway through the story visuals. Let's keep going. All right, now that your animated scenes are done, it's time to bring your story to life with editing. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import all of your animated clips and drag them into the timeline in the correct order. Follow your story scene by scene. If some cuts feel too sharp or robotic, add simple transitions like fade-ins or cinematic cross-dissolves to smooth things out. Now let's layer in the sound. Head to pixabay.com and search for free background music that matches your vibe. Something soft, cinematic, or mysterious works great. Download the track, bring it into CapCut, and drop it under your visuals. Next, spice up key moments with sound effects. For example, robot whirs, forest ambience, or footsteps on gravel. You can find all of those free on Pixabay too. Just drag and align each effect with the right moment in your animation. And finally, double-check your timing. Make sure the voiceover, music, and visuals are all synced perfectly. Once it feels smooth and cinematic, hit Export. Your AI animated short film is now fully edited and ready to post. And that's it! Your full Pixar-style AI short, made 100% with free tools. If you followed every step, you should have a full cinematic story on your timeline, ready to share. But if you're stuck or want the exact prompts I used, check the description. I got you. Drop a comment and let me know what kind of story you're planning next. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button so the algorithm knows this was fire. See you in the next one.